I knew very much that I wanted to work for myself, and I wasn't going to just sit at home. So my goal was to come to the NRVTA and learn about being an RV technician, so I could start my own business and set my own hours. My name is Bob Schlesinger, and I am 60 years old. Recently retired from the Los Angeles Police Department after 36 years. My background in law enforcement has helped me out immensely in dealing with people and problem solving. I did some research. We already had an RV and found the NRVTA. A lot of my friends couldn't understand exactly what an RV technician does, so there was many times where I had to explain to them what happens in that instance. When I arrived here, everybody was extremely welcoming. You start with 1 week of RV fundamentals, where you learn tip to tail about your RV, or about any RV. And after that first week, you realize all the things that you knew already and many, many things that you didn't know. Right after that, you start into the specialty items like refrigerators, air conditioning, water heaters, furnaces. The instructors are very knowledgeable. You do wiring diagrams in the classroom, and then you go back out and you learn to troubleshoot all these items. There may be 10 or 15 refrigerators in one room where you have to go and solve problems, which is fantastic for learning. When else are you ever going to be able to get and troubleshoot 15 refrigerators before you're actually even seeing your first customer? What I am most excited about here and have garnished from this experience was the ability to diagnose problems, have your own business, and feel confident doing that. After completing the 5 weeks here at NRVTA, I will definitely be coming back for the generator and solar class. If anybody's considering taking either RV fundamentals or any of the advanced classes, you would have 2 thumbs up from me. This has been a phenomenal experience, and I've enjoyed every minute of it.